Easy English practice.
Hey, look who it is. I can't believe we finally met up.
I know, right? It feels like ages since we last saw each other.
How have you been? How was your flight?
It was good. A little bumpy at times, but we made it. How about you?
Mine was fine, just a bit delayed. I ended up waiting an extra hour at the gate.
Ah, that's the worst. Did you at least have a good book or something?
I did. I started that novel you recommended. I couldn't put it down.
No way. What do you think of it so far?
It's amazing. The plot twists are just insane. I didn't see that coming.
Right? I was shocked too. Wait until you get to the ending.
I can't wait. So, what brings you here this time?
Visiting my family. It's been a while since I've seen them.
Nice. Do you have any plans while you're here?
Yeah, we're planning a family barbecue this weekend. Lots of food and fun.
Sounds awesome. I'd love to join if there's room.
Of course. The more, the merrier. What about you? What's on your agenda?
I want to explore the city a bit. It's been ages since I was here.
You should check out the new art museum downtown. I heard it's incredible. Great idea. I'll add that to my list. Any good restaurants you recommend?
Definitely. There's this Italian place that has the best pasta. You'll love it. Yum. I'm already getting hungry just thinking about it.
Me too. Speaking of food, should we grab a bite now?
Yes. I could really use a coffee and maybe a snack.
There's a great cafe near our gate. Let's head there.
Lead the way. I'm excited to catch up over some good food.
Same here. It feels so good to see you again.
Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.